Hi guys! Welcome to this year's Halloween makeup tutorial. This look was inspired by a thought I had a few weeks ago when I asked myself, how would Elsa look if she got consumed by dark frosty magic? And this is what I came up with. So I'm starting off with Elsa's hair, which is basically just a simple side braid. Then I'm continuing with the makeup. First of all, I'm applying some foundation and concealer to create an even base. Then I'm doing a simple smoky eye by applying some dark grey eyeshadow to my crease and a lighter shade to my lid. After applying my regular mascara to my lashes and gluing down my eyebrows, I add some white body paint to make them look like they are frozen. And I'm also adding some white body paint to the sides of my eyes and the center of my face. Then I'm using blue body paint to make my face look like it kind of cracks open and the icy dark magic is breaking through. For this I'm using a black eyeliner pen that I'm dipping into the white paint so it paints both colors simultaneously. I also decided to use a black liquid eyeliner from Gosh to intensify some of the black lines.
"72 hours later."
I was done with the makeup but decided that the hair looked too cute and friendly, so I kind of just destroyed it by teasing it and also applying some white body paint to some strands in the front. And that's basically it. I really hope that you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!